scientists have uncovered a shocking secret. The water on Earth is mysteriously disappearing. Over 1 billion tons of seawater vanish every year. This is not an exaggeration. It is backed by real monitoring data. Even more bizarre, sea levels in some regions are actually dropping instead of rising. So where exactly has all this water gone? The answer lies in one of the most terrifying places on Earth. A place where even sunlight is completely swallowed, where water pressure can crush steel into powder. Up until now, humans have set foot here fewer times than they have on the moon. It is the Mariana Trench. A hellish abyss owns 0.4 meters deep. If you dropped Mount Everest into it, its peak would still be more than 2,000 meters below the surface. And at the unfathomable bottom of this chasm, scientists have found enormous cracks in Earth's crust. They act like greedy black holes, devouring seawater at a rate of 3 billion tons per year, a terrifying frenzy of consumption. Here, 1,100 atmospheres of pressure can flatten a human body into a sheet in an instant. Those seawaters drawn underground are fused permanently with rocks at 400 degrees Celsius, never returning to the ocean. But even more astonishing, in this so-called forbidden zone for life, in March 2025, Chinese scientists discovered a secret that shocked the entire world. Relying on China's independently developed Fendouzhe submersible, a manned deep-sea vessel, they ventured into this pitch-black abyss and, unexpectedly, discovered a thriving and vibrant ecosystem. Before 2020, only 9 people in the world had ever reached this depth, rarer than the number of people who have walked on the moon. As the Fendouzhe submersible slowly descended, passing through layer after layer of seawater, entering this world of eternal darkness, the scientists could hardly believe their eyes. In an extreme environment with 1,100 atmospheres of pressure and temperatures near freezing, life not only exists, but is astonishingly endal, thriving. The research team discovered as many as 7,564 types of microorganisms. Among them, 89% turned out to be completely new species never seen by humanity. This number is equivalent to the total known global marine microbial diversity, and all of them are hidden within less than 1,000th of Earth's surface area. How do these abyssal organisms survive in such extreme conditions? Through in-depth studies, scientists uncovered their astonishing survival strategies. Abyssal microorganisms have developed 2 completely different modes of survival. One is the minimalist type. They streamline their genomes to the extreme, keeping only the most essential functions for survival. The other is the versatile type. They possess highly diverse metabolic abilities, even being able to feed on aromatic compounds. Even more incredible, the amphipods here and deep-sea fish have developed cross-species adaptive strategies with microorganisms, forming a complete and unique abyssal food chain. Yet, the mysteries of the Mariana Trench go far beyond this. In 1960, the Swiss explorer Jacques Piccard, on board the bathyscaphe Trieste, reached the bottom of the trench for the first time, but they stayed only 20 minutes before rushing back. Years later, when people reviewed Jacques' navigation logs, they unexpectedly found a record that had never been made public. While descending to half the trench's depth beside their submersible, a massive disc-shaped object suddenly appeared, several meters in diameter, shimmering with a metallic glow in the darkness. This mysterious object hovered in their view for several minutes, then vanished into the endless dark. The discovery immediately sparked countless theories. Some believed it might have been a gigantic deep-sea creature. Others boldly speculated that it could be a descendant of the prehistoric megatooth shark, a creature known to weigh up to 50 tons, exceeding 20 meters in length, with a bite force of 20 tons. The ancestor of all modern sharks, although the scientific community widely agrees that the megatooth shark has long gone extinct. The Mariana Trench may very well be the perfect refuge for such prehistoric giants. In 1985, in an effort to uncover the abyss's secrets, a U.S. research team deployed a special deep-sea probe into the Mariana Trench. The probe successfully reached the bottom and began transmitting data, but suddenly, it sent back a series of eerie sounds. Immediately after, the steel cable connected to the probe was seized by a mysterious force. The researchers tried to pull the probe back at once, but found the cable being yanked and swayed violently. After a full 3-hour struggle, the probe was finally retrieved from the water. When scientists inspected the probe, everyone gasped in shock. There were clear bite marks on its exterior. Some sections of the steel cable were even severed. Keep in mind, the materials of this probe were designed to withstand the immense pressure at the trench floor. What kind of creature could possess such immense strength? Later, scientists discovered a massive tooth at the bottom of the trench. After analysis, it was confirmed to be a megatooth shark tooth. This finding reignited speculation that the megatooth shark might still be alive. However, in 2012, renowned director James Cameron returned to the abyss with a 3D camera. Scientists proposed another explanation. That mysterious disc-shaped object could have been the body of a giant deep-sea octopus, its metallic sheen caused by the extreme pressure of the abyss. But whatever the truth may be, the Mariana Trench remains one of the most mysterious places on Earth. It is not only the end point of the water cycle, but also a laboratory for the evolution of life. With the continued exploration by China's Fendouzhe and international scientific teams, this deep abyss is revealing more and more of its secrets. Scientists believe that the survival mechanisms of life found in this extreme environment can not only help us understand the limits of life, but may also provide valuable insights for future biotechnology and medical research, and the mysteries yet to be solved may gradually surface. With the next deep-sea expedition,